Hey Wizard, so just testing out something different here, and I thought I would just share it with you because I had the time to record this video, so I wanted to get your opinion as well. I've decided to go short on EOS and long on Chainlink on this particular trade. The trade will probably be open for anywhere between 5 to 10 days, I would imagine, which is nothing like what I've taught on the Udemy courses, on pairs trading, etc. But I thought it was kind of interesting because the idea here was to take 1% of my capital, but carve that up into ladders and average into the trade without using Z-score. Basically to take away the repetition and the brain power that I'd have to invest into the strategy. And so if I go down here and I just get rid of the Z-score completely, you can see here I've got EOS, here I've got Chainlink. You can see the spread has gone high. And I'm actually going short on this right now. So if the spread goes and it drops here, if it drops down, then I make money. If it goes up, I lose money. But I'm only in 25% of my 1% of capital. So when it goes against me, which I'm prepared for that to happen, the idea here is to take another 25% of that 1% and go in again. And the reason for that is the assumption that this will maintain a strongly co-integrated pair, right? There will be a strong relationship. This co-integration will hold true. And even if it doesn't, it might revert back to being a co-integrated pair. But to average into the trade with small amounts so that if a big event happens, you're actually then assuming that gap is going to close again. And then you would allocate a higher portion of your trade in. So it's basically, my thinking here is bringing money management into the idea of averaging into pairs trading without the use of Z-score or a bot that's running, etc., like what we've done on the Udemy courses, but to do this statistical arbitrage just by eyeballing a good spread structure and saying, all right, I'm going to use money management and average into that. So the thinking here is if you were to do this with, enough pairs, if they're strong enough like this one right now does with EOS and Chainlink, and you were to amass a significant amount of trades here, then you will lose 1% of your capital occasionally. That's going to happen. But by the same token, if you have all this statistics with you and the probability with you because you've not been greedy about how you enter into the trade, then with enough diligence over time, do you make money doing that? So I'm not giving you advice here that you should do this. I'm just sharing what I'm doing, what I'm testing out here with you, because I thought you might find it interesting. Until the next one, take care. Talk soon.